Looks pretty good. It's pretty sturdy, nice and solid. If you want a flagpole at your house without having to dig a hole and pour a bunch of concrete in the ground, then this stick in the ground flagpole might be perfect for you. Let's set it up. So it's super easy to set up. All these individual poles just screw together, and then the bottom here screws in as well. Just slip the coupling on over the pole, and then it comes with a little Allen key, and you just insert it in here and just tighten that until it's nice and snug, and the carabiners go straight to your flag. And then obviously the coupling at the top here just screws in. All right, now let's see what it looks like outside. I think my favorite part though is gonna have to be how it goes in the ground so easily, and it's about 6 to 7 inches long. See, I'm sitting here kicking it. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. The coupling here is also made of plastic, so you're not gonna have to worry about rust when it rains. Also, in case you're wondering, it feels like this metal here is coated with some type of filament or something. I don't know if it's got like a lacquer on it, but it definitely looks like it would hold up through weather. Mission accomplished. Super easy to set up. Nice for outside.